Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy Concepts. So let's talk about sex determination in human beings. First of all, what is gender symbol? Gender symbols are used to represent biological sex. For example, in case of male, we use this symbol. In case of female, we use this symbol. Sometimes it's really very tricky to remember these symbols. So I'm going to give you a very quick solution. These symbols are astrological symbols and are used to represent planets. For example, in case of male, it represents Mars and it shows shield with the spear. In case of female, it represents Venus and it shows mirror with bronze handle. So you have to remember female with mirror, and you all know that how much females are obsessed with these mirrors. So what are autosomes? Autosomes are chromosomes other than sex chromosome. So in human body they have 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome. In total we have 23 pairs of chromosome. If we talk in number, we have 46 total in number of chromosomes, out of which 44 are autosomes and 2 are sex chromosome. So these sex chromosomes are very important in determining the sex of an individual. They always occur in pair. If sex chromosome occur in pair of X and Y, the sex of an individual identified as male. If they occur in pair of XX, so the sex of an individual will be identified as female. So we have to remember the X and Y, that is male, and XX as female. So the question comes that how sex of a newborn is determined in human beings. In humans, the sex of an individual is determined genetically and the method is known as genotypic determination. Let's see an example. We have already discussed about the X and Y chromosome, which shows a male. Okay, so we have let's talk about the father. Okay, father is having sperm cells. Okay, I have used different colors so that it will give you a better understanding, as the blue sperm cell carries the X chromosome and the green sperm cell carries the Y chromosome. Same for mother with XX chromosome, X cells of mother carrying the X chromosome. Okay, so when the sperm cell fuses with the eggs of the mother, in that case fertilization occur, a zygote formation occur, and it is implanted into the uterus. At this very point only sex is determined, whether the baby is going to be born as a girl or a boy. For example, if we take a sperm cell with X chromosome, if it fuses with the mother X cell, okay, so it will lead to a baby girl, as mother is having X chromosome and father is also having X chromosome. So XX chromosome together leads to the sex identification as female. So a girl child will be born. Whereas if we take a sperm cell with Y chromosome and fuse it with mother's X cell, so in that case we will get a baby boy. Okay, because now we have a chromosome pair as X and Y. So it is very important to remember that father helps to determine the sex of the newborn, as father is only having the variant type of sex chromosome. So I think you have got an idea that how sex is determined in human beings. Okay, if any questions, please do comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.